How do I fix the sensor on my Samsung TV remote control?
Welcome to this DIY video guide. Today, we're going to help you troubleshoot and fix the sensor on your Samsung TV remote control. It's a simple process and we're going to guide you through it, step by step.
Identifying the problem.
First, let's be sure that the problem lies with the sensor and not elsewhere. Common symptoms of a faulty sensor include 1. The TV not responding to the remote. 2. The TV only responding intermittently to the remote. 3. The remote needing to be extremely close to the TV to work. If you're experiencing these issues, the problem could be the remote sensor.
Performing a simple reset.
Before getting into any technical stuff, try a simple reset. 1. Turn off your TV and unplug it from the wall. 2. Remove the batteries from the remote. 3. Press each button on the remote at least once. This drains any residual power. 4. Reinsert the batteries and plug the TV back in. 5. Try using the remote again.
Cleaning the sensor.
If the remote is still not functioning properly, we should clean the sensor on both the TV and the remote. 1. Remove the batteries from the remote. 2. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to gently wipe the sensor on the remote. Be careful not to scratch it. 3. Repeat this process with the sensor on the TV. 4. Reinsert the batteries and test the remote.
Replacing the sensor.
If the problem persists after cleaning, you may need to replace the sensor. For this, you'll need a replacement sensor, compatible with your model, a screwdriver, and patience. Remember, this process may void your warranty, so proceed with caution. 1. Remove the batteries from the remote. Unscrew and carefully remove the back cover of the remote. 2. Locate the sensor. It's usually a small, transparent piece located at the top of the remote. 3. Carefully remove the faulty sensor and replace it with the new one. 4. Reassemble the remote and test it. That's it. We hope this guide was helpful in resolving issues with your Samsung TV remote sensor. Remember, if the problems persist, it's always a good idea to contact a professional or reach out to Samsung's customer service.